Ramos. Weighing serves number 6, Daniel Musa. Number 11, J.M. Gabriel. Player number 9, V.J. Robles. Number 33, Chris Francis Ave. Number 23, Romulo Caballo. And player number 1, Team Brian Bendaglia. This is the official lineup of the 2 competing teams for the championship game of the seniors division. And before we start the ball game, both teams do the sportsmanship handshake. The last and final game of the season for Barangay San Agustin 1 Sports Team 2025. We're going to witness a lot of highlights in this ball game, cameraman. Barangay San Agustin 1. This is the start of quarter number 1. First ball possession for MMW. RJ Italia with the first ball possession. Italia looking for a teammate. Off to Ariel, Quintana for 3. Ariel Quintana. This is shot there, showing an early stage of shooting. Here's Team Ryan, off to Vincent. Puno handed off to Kim. The pick out, para kay Gabito. The stop and bomb. So that's now, Ariel gets his first rebound. Here is Nicano. Cimento attack sa gitna, inside, off the glass. Great shot there. Great shot selection. There's a foul ball on Luke Francisco in his first personal. First team foul. The score is Allen for 3. That's a elbow. Five-zero start for MMW family. Here's Luke, one of the rising star player. Thomas Servicing one. Off to RJ. Defender of player spots up. Puck there by Allen. Good defense. Ventana off to Gabito. Gabito with a fake shot and off the last shot. And Ariel looks to attack. It was skinned by Kian. Off to Pacardo. Inside to RJ. Italia. Fading away. Pinano that time. Inside down. Here's Zayn. Off to Keen. Ventana. Spots up. Look at that range. Almost going to go down. Offensive rebound. Here is Rook now on the offense. Oh, loses balance there. Off to Ariel. Gicano. Easy shot. Bounces off. And Kim off to Francis. Ventana attacks again. Now Monster is way in. He misses. Gicano gets a rebound. Ariel on his side. There's a foul. Here's Ariel. Gicano. Guarded by JM. He goes for the screen. The kick out to RJ. Italia. Mid-range. Off the glass. No. Ventana gets a rebound. And Team Ryan good. On his left. Spots up for 3. Ready to go. RJ secures it. 2 minutes of beyond the arc. Para Kim. 3 minutes have gone by. Here's Ariel. The kick out para kay Luke. Francisco comes up. Here's the foul. Foul. Here's Ariel. Gicano on top of the key. Uses his balance inside. RJ fades away. Ame secures it. Outlet pass now. Touchdown. RJ's there for the defense. Alternate space. Oh, para kay Gabito. Here's Zio. Handing off para kay Luke. He wants to go for the nice one. The cross. Crosses it. Out the pass now. Counter steal on the other end. And Francisco. And there's a foul.
Sige, patayin mo lang yan.
It's Ariel. Will just keep my Pacardo. Inside. Cargullo. Block there by Vincent. Corner of the shot block. Off the spin. Shot fire miss. Moment out of bounds. It will stay. Four minutes have gone by. Here's Ian. Handing on para kay Gio. Back to Ariel. Fight on the shot block. Ticano. Oh, the great pass. Exit dash para kay Ariel. Back there. Outlet pass. His save goes all the way. Isang Palaman. Here's Ticano. On the high pick, para kay Luke, Francisco spots up. Ready to go. Ticano with the rebound, easy shot. That's good. 5 points for him. Balik sa totoong Kalamangan. Off the kick out, here is Steve. Mendana inside to Vincent. Puno, short range. Ariel with his third rebound. Okay, that's a turnover. Substitution. Joshua Patak checks in, replacing Gio Cargullo. Substitution. Romulo Gabila checks in, replacing J.M. Gabriel. Here's Sloms, off to Vincent, inside pass. Here's Luke, back to Ariel. Isang puntos na Kalamangan for MMW. From the baseline, jumper won't fall. Amel secures the rebound. Off to the full court, and again. Ariel making his way in, forcing that shot. Bentana picks it up. Here's Steve. Bulldozer his way in. Para sa bullet. Here's Ariel. Ticano on his right over Vincent. Look at that pick right there. Substitution. Ian Alson that checks in. MC Luke Francisco. Offensive foul line under 4 minutes remaining. Here's Roms off to DJ, back to team, Bentana, people team there. The kick out. Nowhere to go. Campana with the cross. Sakang steal. Out and down. Here's Ian. Behind that pass. Shot skill. Here's Ame. Behind that pass. Here's Vincent. Aatake sa gina. Using the size advantage. Shampoo. No. And then double now on the offense. We got Kofi. Loses balance. Portray. Hey! Off the bench there. His first simple shot of the ball game. Here outside of goal 14. Here's Ticano off the screen. Oh, the ball fake there. Pumps up over Vincent. The kick out. Fading away. Shot is good. First 2 points para kay Ian. Here's Capello off to VJ. Rowanes for 3. Short, Bentana is Here's Ian. Trying to attack. Free to line. Short. BJ gets the rebound. Here's Morales. Nowhere to go. Inside to Ventana. Over Villagoli. 2 points. Here's Emmanuel. Villagoli. Stop and pop for three. Not that time. Prince gets the rebound. Bigyan mo na para kay BJ. Here's BJ inside. Throwing the shot. No. Ramos with the rebound. Nowhere to go. Back to Rose. Here's Vincent. Inside. Sa Kalamaran. Here's Luke trying to make an attack. Over double team. Off the Ian. On his left side. Kicks out para kay James. Sa
Bola!
18-16 ang aning score. Under the minute remaining. Off the Roms. Sa penalty for three. Houses off. Pati ng bola. RJ Stickers. He uses that one. Here's Luke. He bumps the kick out. Emmanuel with a fake. Shot fires. 5 points for him. We get credit from the Bears with 5. DJ trying to cross. Fading away to Luales inside to Vincent. Back passes. Space line. Shot miss. More shot the rebound. Tapitan mo na labas. 10 seconds to go. Here's Luke. Oh, here's Luales. Side step. 2 seconds. Finish up. And on the second period. Stopping off. Ian gets the rebound. Here's Ariel. Gicano on the break. Gicano, he goes all the way. Misses, getting his own miss. Loose ball. Opens out by Ramos. Here's Prince. Off the Roms, back to Prince. Right shot, Tuso. RJ Stickers it. Here's Italia. He goes all the way. He goes his way out. RJ picks up the loose ball, loses it again, gets it back, and that time he's a crazy too. 4 points. Here's BJ, the X factor of that verse, with 6 points off the bench. Here's Musa, balikan bola para kay BJ, inside para kay Prince, down low pass. The foul was called down play, no basket. That was called number 5. First personal foul on number 5. First team foul. Tatlong puntos sa Kalamakan. Here's Ian in the corner. Back to Ariel. Gicano with a screen by RJ, the spin, inside, shot miss, basic rebound there by Gio. Off to BJ Ramos, speeding to the look at DJ Royals from the bench already has 8 points. Hands it off. There's a foul. Here's Ariel. Gicano on his way up. Coast to coast drive. 9 points for him. He's the leading scorer for MMW. The pick now. Trying to get good defense. And a big steal. Here's Ian. 5:24. Substitution. Vincent Bruno checks in, replacing Daniel Musa. Here's Vincent
Higit na lang
off to Cedric Santero. Balikan bola ngayon para kay JM. Off to Romulo. Icano, kami sa gitna, Pasquerino. Off to Bentanya, Babanga, overhead na. He escapes off the glass.
Minit na si Bob.
The kick out. Nowhere to go. Look for three. Still running down. Nena handing off. Look, wants to play. Quickness drive. The kick out. Spots up and bounce kick. 3 balls there. RJ on the end there. His first 3-point shot. Inside. All alone. Santero. He gets it back. No good. He's on. In the cross. Jim. And that's a goal.
Galing mo!
Here's Ariel. Gigano spots off. He misses. Santero secures it. Off to Bentanya. The cross now. Boom. Kim looks at the basket inside. Putting it away. Right shot. Answers back with his own. 4 points. 5 points para kay RJ rather. Substitution. Alright. Here's Kim, hand it off to Gabrido. Gabrido with the lead.
Wala akong pakialam.
Vincent, baseline. Taping ang bola. Ariel with the rebound. Here's Kitano. Pagkano. Yes, a foul. It's personal. The player is stand by. Ariel with his fifth rebound. Gitano looks at the basket again. At the corner. Vincent appears and loses the basket there. Bentanya has been fouled there. Fouls for number 5. The second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Bola, bola.
31-32, isang puntos lamang nakalamangan. Here's Cabello. Romulo off to Pagara. Goes the kick out. The bleeding with easy shot. The time is. Touch passes. Gio loses it. Off to Bentanya. The trail now inside. Spots up. And passes. Here's Ariel to RJ. Reverse and one. Second personal foul there by Vincent. Sa rebound, here's Eman. Balik sa gitna, Gio spots off. Ready to go. Tapping ang bola. Bentanya wins it. Here's Kim. Inside. RJ with a shot. He runs now with a 3-ball. 9 points for him. On the spin. Down 125. Spurs. Eman for 3. Iyan now. Tapping ang bola. He secures it. Bentanya goes all the way. Points para kay Kim. There's a foul there. Ariel Gicano at the free throw line. Bounces off RJ. Great offensive rebound. DJ secures it. Off to Bindaya. Inside. Great pass again. Here's Ariel. The spin. Extra pass. RJ. Out. Off to the front court. DJ for three. DJ Lopez. Off the bench. Here's RJ. Italia back to low. Francisco to the baseline. Teardrop. Short. Wallace back to game.
Oh!
And Emmanuel with the deflection. On the bomb. High off the glass. Bounces in. The focus shot there. Get the 2 points.
Oras! Oras!
45-38. Shot fires. Air ball. Joseph. Ball goes the other way. Substitution. Gicano. Free to line. Easy shot. 11 points. The 30-point runner. Here's CJ. Roales with another shot. Off the bench, he's been the X-factor para sa Bullet. Baseline. It's a 2-2. Here's here inside. Extra pass by Gabriel. Gicano loses it. Trying to get the basketball. Backcourt violation. 8-second backcourt violation. Here's Alzey. And it off now. Nakeka for three. RJ with offensive rebound. Sees it. Turnover.
Oras! Shoot!
Stop and pop here. Soft touch there. 10. Shot clock is off. Gicano inside to RJ with an easy 2. 11 points by the RJ. Here's RJ with an hand. Block for the RJ. 3 seconds to go. 2 seconds. And on the first down, Philippines opponent of Marvin Torres at the SK Neil Casimiro and Council. Here we go on our third quarter. Ariel scores up for 3, offensive rebound. He bumps, shot miss. King Bentanya rebound.
Mukha na yun ah. Oy!
Front court, Mursa on the reverse. Misses that one. Cross court by the Luke. Francisco is playing. Pulling the shot.
Nice one, team! Wala!
Miss it again. Shot is not falling down for Luke. Tonight. Bentanya off to Mursa. Sidestep. No. Gets it back. Still misses. Offensive rebound para again. Cross court. Off to Gomelo. Gomelo for 3. That is a miss. Out the pass. Here's Raymond.
Wala!
Misses that shot. Back to Gomelo. Here's Mursa. Capello on the break. Sidestep, running shot, in and out. Here's Francisco on the break. 2-2 situation. Inside the Raven. Baseline is good. Here's Kim, bulldozes his way in. Misses Gicano with a rebound, there's a foul. Here's Ariel on his right. front court. Off the basket here. Here's Kikano. On the break, touch passes. Kikano. One dribble shot for three. That's good. Marcel Kikano. Three. 16 points for him. Pendanya. Off the breaks again. Baseline. Not that time. Bago with the rebound. Off to Ariel. Steal. Caprido. Off to Pendanya. Raises. Ariel will take out of Ian.
Okay naman pala sir.
That is his first
Third quarter pa lang. Biggest score sa fourth quarter.
3 minutes to come by, 53-49. Vincent off the pin. To Gamelo. Off the to Vincent. Ball stripped and stolen. Gitano on the cross. He goes sidestep. 18 points for Ariel. Off to the front court. Caprido squares up. Not that time. RJ with a rebound. He's all the way. Sidestep. Touchdown. Leading a tie ball game. What a start! Inside the 33 times score. Here's Italia. Nowhere to go. Patty off.
Walang foul lang. Miscom.
Substitution. Francisco checks back in. 55-53 Evan Bubbly off by 8 points. Evan Brown for the lead. Off the glass again, DJ 15 points off the bench. Here's Emma with 8 points in the ballgame. Block was off. Opens in on the foul. Vincent with the rebound. Turn it over. Here's Emma, spots up again! Number 9, Francisco, there's a foul. Foul number 3. Here's Tuesday. Alright, turnover. Here's Luke.
Wala. Wala. Ayok.
Oh, misses. Bandana goes all the way. This time game, RJ loses the basketball. Ball stay. Substitution. Alex and Jane busy for Vera. Substitution.
Yan, maganda nga yun.
Joshua
Solid.
Zane,
Wala
facing
simula
Luke.
yun yung mga magkakaroon.
This side, powers way in. RJ with 15 points. Off to Alex, here's Ahmed to Ventania. He gets it through to 59-61. Here's Ariel, the kick out, and for three. Back-to-back misses. Here's Ventania, looks at the basket. Here's Vendanya. He goes all the way. Chris here. Off to Rose. Back to Ahmed. Chris. Vincent. Pumping the ball to Arjun. The 11 rebounds. Here's VJ. There's a fucking foul. Foul by we are all time with 61 on. Here's Cabrero, off to Ahmed. Here's sidestep to Vincent, lead the line. No. Italia with 12 rebounds. Vicano, he drives close to Moses. No good.
Ina mo, ho! Gago! Ina mo eh! Ano mo, eh?
Here's VJ, loses it. Happy Gambella. Loose ball.
Ayoko nanonood
Here's
eh.
Ariel, inside. To Vicano.
Makulit ka!
Quickly! Yogo! He gets it back. Back-to-back misses.
Bumabola!
Fading away, Spices. Vincent with another rebound. 62-61. Bentanya atake sa gitna.
Hindi ko managin. Hindi ko managin si RJ.
Foul by number 16. Here's Ariel. RJ. Not that time. Bentanya gets a rebound. DJ with a shot. He's on fire. Off to Cabello. All straight, shot clock 17 seconds. Here's William going baseline. Side step. That's number 2. Here's Luke on the attack mode. The kick out pass. Zopper will fall.
Namamatid sila sa ilalim.
Oo, yung mga tali na tsaka tuhod.
Ayan o, yun. Oo. Oo, nagkukross sila na tali. Bakit ganun training sa kanila?
Eh?
Ano na? Ano na?
Ay!
19 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, that's now. Zapata with a rebound. Here's Ariel. The kick out. Spots up. There it goes. Whee! The Leaves have won. Both staying. Here's Ian. He goes all the way. Too strong. Gets an impressive rebound. Off to Ariel. Spectacular! Bang! Back-to-back Thursday! Foul by number 9. Inside, Ahmed with a pump fake. Blocked there by Zapata. Ball stay.
Hoy! Ano yan?
Backward violation. 8 seconds. Here's Ariel. Back to Ian with 10 points. 6 points coming from this quarter.
Pero papatirahin yan!
5 in the shot clock. 3. Francisco to be the clock.
Wala!
Shot miss. Aggressive rebound. Puts it up and scores. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 5. Capello inside, loses it. More shot with a 2. Champions, here we go. Bentanya back in the game with 20 points. On the screen inside. Joseph misses. Gets it back. DJ for three. Ricardo. On the now by the hook. Francisco under attack mode. Hand it off. Back by Robertson. Another good steal. Sinero ataque. That's a goal miss. Inside. There's a foul.
Ayos na yun. Tatawag mo sa kanila.
73 all for the steal. Look. Back there. Good defense. From Cabello. From defense to defense that time. Ricardo now pass there inside. 23 points, 13 rebounds for LA. Look there on the steal. Francisco, they know step. Still can't make it. He gets it back. Shot is not falling down for Luke in this ball game. Ayala attacking, nowhere to go. DJ will steal. There's a foul. Foul on number 5. This is third personal foul. Substitution. Ahmed checks in.
Matagal pa yan.
Miss Ventania. Kim for three. Sean Smith. Ventania, coast to coast, loses it. Nice play. Close the ball game for MMW family. Here's Ame, nagana pa pa sa, bigyan mo pa kay JM. This time, let's go. This time on the other side. Nothing to go. All of the Pinoy step inside. That's the foul. Foul on number 10, third personal foul.
Eh, magpapatay tayo ng press yan.
Of the high pick. Oh, and a great pass inside. 80-74. Gabriel to the line. Vincent the offensive rebound. Here's the ball. Here's Luke. Takes out by Ian. Also again. 10 of the shot clock. Luke squares up for three. Still looking to go. Offensive rebound again. Takes out 5. Step back. Bang! 15 points off the bench for England. 9-point game. There's a holding foul for Here's Ahmed, fires for three. 77-83. Here's Luke, creating space, still having a hard time. Jim out in the same spot. Back-to-back keys for him. What a back-to-back keeper shot. With 5. 3 on the shot clock. To the shoot. Second violation. Here's Ahmed. Kicks down. Jaden. Quick step. Goes up. Here's Ariel. 1-on-1 versus Kim. The screen there. 8 on the shot clock. For 3. Bang! 7 goals for Joshua. Block the shot there. Wala nang 5 minuto sa ating 40 final quarter. Capello on the break. Kieta. Oh, and a great assist inside. This misses that one. Francisco, he goes all the way. There's a foul. Substitution. Way off on the deep ball. 17 rebounds para kay RJ. Italia, hand it off. Pause and one. DJ versus Vincent. With 16 rebounds as well. Look on the break. 2-on-1. He goes up inside. Defensive save. Bendaya coast to coast. 25 points. 90-84. What a ball game we're having here. Five on the shot clock. 3 to shoot. Step back. Offensive rebound.
Oh!
Naku. Hindi talaga tumawag ng referee.
RJ with 18 rebounds now.
Why is the foul?
5. On the quick step. That shot goal. Three, 492. Here is Cagulo. Quarter now, 10 on the shot clock. 5. 3 to shoot, fading away. Sanchez, offensive rebound again. Gio escapes inside. And Diane uses the basketball. DJ spots off. Vincent with 18 boards. Rolls for 3. Shot miss. They get the rebound. Bendaya Kulele. 27 points. Score for the Bullets. Is Ariel with 23. Total cost. Ariel. Cost goes up. Cost goes up. Steals in the ball game together with 18 points. Penalty situation. 19 points for him. Here's RJ. Off for Ian. Off for Ian. Lucano taps it out. 10 of the Zio. With 5 seconds on the shot clock. All alone. Offensive rebound again. 1 minute to go. Oh, look at the defense there from DJ. Here's Eliana. 26 points. Under a minute to go. Tyson takes a foul penalty. 95, only a 6-point game. Here's Luke Francisco. Luke escapes, exposed, on the way. There's a foul penalty. The sport 5 fouls now. 40 seconds remaining. Cross court to Luke. Here's Ariel. There's a foul. Off to the front right, Capella for 3. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here we go.
Wala pa nga eh. Likat! Likat! Kalipis ko naman. Hindi pa nga nakakakita.
45 seconds remaining. 94-96. Here's Eden. Handing off down to Ariel. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Quintano. Wants to go for Daiso. Off the screen, 5. Quintano. Inside. Lays it up. 12 seconds remaining. Warriors off the Bandana. Ace a 32-point Gonzalez. A 3-point shot can win the game. With 5.55 remaining. Here's Capillo. Up in the corner, perfect.